Okay, so we're going to do a deep dive into this whole thing about making over $1,100 a day using ChatGPT for free.
Yeah, free ChatGPT.
Yeah, seriously, when I saw that, I was like, what?
Yeah, that's a pretty bold claim right there.
Yeah.
That you can use something for free to generate a substantial income.
Right.
And that really speaks to one of the biggest fears, I think, that people have when they're trying to get started making money online,
Yeah.
which is that it's going to cost them a bunch of money up front.
Exactly. And so you've probably seen a bunch of these headlines talking about how to make serious passive affiliate income in 2025.
Right.
And this thing called Affilify keeps popping up.
Okay.
And apparently this guy, David William, who's behind it,
Okay.
is saying that even total beginners can make over $1,000 their first week.
Wow.
Honestly, it sounds a little too good to be true.
Yeah, it really makes you wonder how quickly someone can see results like that in affiliate marketing,
Yeah.
especially when you're brand new to it,
Yeah.
just starting out.
Exactly.
Um,
So our goal here is to cut through the hype.
Absolutely.
Based on what we've got in front of us, what is this Affilify system?
Right.
And for someone like you who's listening right now who wants to get the real story without getting lost in a bunch of complicated nonsense,
Right.
can it actually live up to the buzz?
Okay.
We're looking specifically at this idea of passive affiliate income.
Okay.
So let's see what's actually going on. And first of all, who is this David William guy making all these crazy claims?
Well, to really understand the claims, we got to look at how David William establishes his experience and credibility. And he positions himself as somebody who's had a lot of success in affiliate marketing.
Okay.
He says he's generated over $1.1 million just in the past year alone.
Wow.
And he's had one month that was really, really good, over $138,000 in commissions.
Yeah, those are some big numbers.
Those are huge numbers.
Yeah.
And those are definitely designed to make you stop and say, wait a minute, what is he doing?
Yeah, and he mentions that he spent an entire decade perfecting this easy, repeatable strategy.
Right.
10 years is a long time to work on something.
Yeah, it really makes you wonder what's at the core of that strategy.
Yeah.
What has he really figured out over that time?
Yeah. So what problem is this supposed to solve
Yeah.
for people trying to get into affiliate marketing?
Yeah.
Because let's face it, dipping your toes into the online income world,
Ah,
it can feel like you're trying to decipher an ancient language without a Rosetta Stone.
exactly. They say the biggest challenge is just how overwhelming it is
Yeah.
to even get started with affiliate marketing.
Right.
People, they struggle with figuring out which products are actually going to be profitable to promote.
Right.
They don't know how to build a website.
Yeah.
They don't know anything about traffic.
Yeah.
And so it just feels really complex and expensive.
Yeah.
And to be honest, a little bit scary.
So Affilify is supposed to come in and just whisk all that away, like
it's the cavalry.
yeah.
Yeah, they're positioning it as the solution that removes the guesswork.
Right.
So
yeah.
you don't have to worry about all that stuff.
Yeah, okay. So they call it a done-for-you affiliate system.
Yes.
And what that means is that a lot of the groundwork,
Right.
a lot of the thinking has already been done by David William.
Exactly. They're saying that you can just duplicate his success.
Oh, okay.
You don't have to be an expert yourself.
All right. Done for you. That does sound pretty appealing.
Yeah.
So let's get down to the details.
Okay.
What are the main features and benefits that they're highlighting?
Well, one of the first things that they really emphasize is this fully automated setup,
Okay.
which means that it's a very quick and easy process to get started.
Right?
Just a few simple steps and you're up and running.
Okay, so automation, nobody wants to spend,
Yeah.
hours and hours just trying to set things up.
Exactly. Nobody wants to deal with tech stuff if they don't have to.
And then they also say there are no costs involved.
Yes, that's a
This is huge.
yes, because it means you don't have to put any money down up front.
Yeah,
You can try it out without risking your own cash.
that's right. That connects back to the initial thing about it being free.
Absolutely.
Okay, so how do you get people to actually see your affiliate offers
Right.
if you're not paying for ads or anything like that?
Well, they say that Affilify has built-in free traffic sources.
Oh. Oh.
So this is a huge deal because getting traffic is one of the hardest things about affiliate marketing.
Yeah.
So if they can really provide free traffic,
Yeah.
that's incredibly valuable.
So this is like the holy grail.
It is. It's what everybody wants.
Free traffic.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And what about the products themselves?
Yeah.
How do you know which products to promote?
Well, they claim that they've got guaranteed approval to hand-picked, high-converting affiliate products.
Okay.
So this takes care of another big problem that people have,
Yeah.
which is getting accepted into affiliate programs
Right.
and then choosing products that are actually going to sell. So they're saying that they've already done the research
Okay.
and they've picked out good products for you.
So you're not just left on your own
No, you don't have to guess.
to figure it out.
Exactly. And then, of course, they point to their own results as proof that this works.
Okay.
They say they've got proven results tested through over $1.1 million in real-world affiliate commissions.
Right. They keep coming back to that number.
Yeah, they want to make sure you know that they've actually done this.
Yeah. All right. So what's the last big benefit?
Well, they say that it's beginner-friendly
Okay.
and that you don't need any tech skills.
Oh, that's good.
This is designed to appeal to people who might be a little bit intimidated
Right.
by the technical side of online marketing.
They're afraid of the tech.
Exactly. They're
That's-
saying you don't need to know how to code.
Right.
You don't need to know how to build a website.
Yeah. No complicated tech stuff.
Boop.
Okay. So they mentioned some real world results.
Yes.
But beyond that, $1.1 million. What specific income claims are they making?
Well, they specifically say that this exact strategy brought in over $1,000 in commissions in a single day.
Right.
And they highlight that this is possible even for beginners.
Okay. $1,000 in one day. That's pretty specific.
That's very specific.
Yeah.
And it's definitely designed to get your attention.
Yeah, it is. So let's break down this 3-step automated system.
Okay.
They're talking about how does this thing actually work?
Okay, so step one is setup.
Okay.
And they say it's easy and it's free.
Okay.
This involves opening affiliate accounts the right way
Okay.
so that you can get approved even if you're brand new.
Right.
They also talk about setting up free landing pages,
Okay.
which are basically just dedicated web pages
Right.
to capture leads or make a sale.
Yeah.
And they recommend a beginner-friendly email automation tool
Okay.
that doesn't cost anything up front.
So they're walking you through the whole process
Yeah, they're holding your hand.
of getting set up.
Exactly.
Right. And step 2 is
Step two is activate your Affilify campaign.
okay.
So now you've got your account set up,
Right.
you've got your tools in place,
Yeah.
and now you can activate these ready-made campaigns that they provide.
Okay.
And they say you can do this in less than 2 hours.
Wow.
And you don't need any technical skills, you don't need any web hosting, you don't need to pay for any tools at this stage.
So they're giving you basically pre-built marketing materials
Exactly, it's all done for you.
that you can just plug in.
Yep. And then step three,
This is where the magic happens.
this is where the money comes in.
Okay.
So step three is profit with automated affiliate commissions.
Okay.
So now that you've got your campaign set up and activated,
Yeah.
the built-in free traffic sources start working for you.
Okay.
They start generating leads, clicks
Yeah.
on your affiliate links
Right.
and sales.
Okay, so it's all automated
Yes.
once you set it up.
You just sit back and relax.
All right, so there's mention of an upsell.
Uh-huh.
Obviously, they're offering this Affilify system for very cheap, right? For just $10.
Yeah, so what's the deal with that?
Well, they say it's a huge discount from the regular monthly price of $297.
Wow.
And they give a couple of reasons for this.
Okay.
Number one, David Williams says that he's launching an exclusive affiliate membership group in 2025.
Okay.
And he hopes that by giving people a taste of success with Affilify,
Right.
they'll be more likely to join this higher level group later on.
Okay, classic upsell.
Yes. And number two, they say it's a way to build trust
Okay.
and demonstrate the effectiveness of his methods to a wider audience.
Makes sense, right? And they include a guarantee as well?
Yes, they call it the triple guarantee.
Okay.
And this means you can get a full refund within 60 days if you're not happy with the results.
Talk.
If you find the system too difficult to use,
Yeah.
or even if you just don't like David Williams' teaching style.
Okay.
And you get to keep all the bonuses and training materials even if you get a refund.
That's pretty generous.
It is.
Yep.
But of course, they do include a disclaimer.
Saying that they can't legally guarantee you'll make a specific amount of income.
Right, of course. So for that $10, what do you actually get?
Okay, so they list out a few things.
Okay.
You get the complete done-for-you affiliate automation system,
Okay.
which they say has a real-world value of $1997.
Wow.
Then you get a step-by-step affiliate marketing training document,
Okay.
which they value at $297.
Okay.
And then you get on-demand support and personal coaching access,
Okay.
valued at $197.
So they're saying that you're getting over $2,000 worth of stuff
Yes, a
Yeah.
total value of $2,491
for $10.
for just $10.
And of course, they try to create a sense of urgency
Oh, yeah.
around this offer.
Absolutely.
Right. They're saying it's for a limited time only.
Right.
And if you miss out,
Too bad.
you've missed out.
Don't even bother contacting support.
Right.
Yeah, they present it as a very simple decision. You've got three choices.
Okay.
You can do nothing,
Right.
You can try to figure out affiliate marketing on your own,
Yeah.
or you can grab Affilify.
Right. And they even include a little PS at the end just
Yeah.
to really hammer home the message.
Right.
So what's the big takeaway from that?
They want you to imagine waking up and knowing that your bills are paid
Okay.
because of the email marketing you've been doing.
Okay.
They really emphasize the importance of taking action,
Yeah.
and they suggest a daily commitment of just 30 minutes for 30 days
Okay.
to set your goals, create a lead magnet, and start sending out those affiliate emails.
So even though it's a done-for-you system,
Right.
you still got to put in some work.
You can't just do nothing.
Okay, fair enough. And of course, they include some important disclaimers.
Yes, as they should.
Yeah.
They say that Affilify is not associated with Facebook in any way.
Okay.
They've got disclaimers about earnings claims and income potential.
Right.
They emphasize that your results may vary, and they're not guaranteed.
Right.
And they provide links to their privacy policy, terms and conditions, and customer support information.
Standard stuff.
Absolutely. And they also say that by purchasing, you agree to receive future support and promotional emails,
Okay.
but you can unsubscribe if you want.
All right, so we've done a really thorough deep dive into Affilify,
Yeah, we've covered a lot.
into what it claims to be, the benefits it promises, and the structure of the offer as it's presented by David William.
Right.
It definitely sounds pretty attractive,
It does.
especially if you're looking for a low-cost, beginner-friendly way to make money online.
Yeah, especially that passive income idea.
Yes.
That's very appealing.
So we've talked about the automation,
Yes.
the free resources, the free traffic.
The claims of success.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that really low price.
Oh,
What do
yeah.
you think?
Well, I think it's really important to consider
Yeah.
how much effort is actually required.
Yeah.
Because even though it's a done-for-you system,
Yeah.
there's always going to be some work involved.
Yeah.
You know, you can't just expect to push a button and have money start rolling in.
And they kind of allude to that
They do.
in their 30 minutes a day for 30 days.
Yeah, they're not saying you don't have to do anything.
Right.
They're just saying, we've done a lot of the heavy lifting for you.
Right.
Now you just got to put in a little bit of effort.
So considering all of that, what are the key things that you would focus on to determine if a system like this could actually deliver on its promises?
Well, I'd want to know more about those free traffic sources.
Okay.
What are they exactly, and how much time and effort do I really need to put in to make them work?
Yeah.
And what about those ready-made campaigns?
Right.
Are they actually any good?
Yeah.
Are they going to convert?
Right. Are they going to be relevant in, 6 months, a year from now?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And what about the support?
Yeah.
If I'm only paying $10,
Right.
how much support can I really expect? And what about those hand-picked affiliate products?
Yeah.
What are their conversion rates?
Yeah.
What are the commissions like?
That's a really good point.
Yeah. So there's a lot to consider.
That's a lot to think about.
But the low price and the money-back guarantee
Right.
definitely make it tempting.
It does make it tempting.
At least check it out. All right, so there you have it.
There it is.
Another deep dive
Another one.
into the world of online income.
Exactly.
Thanks for joining us.
My pleasure.